Hey folks, this is Indie Jkid, okay? And this is actually me. Normally I would take a haircut every 2 weeks, but for all intents and purposes I don't have the money for it. I only take a haircut when I have to, like for a job interview, or if I really want to go somewhere and I have to keep appearances. And these glasses here. I've been wearing these glasses for 8 years, and the nose pieces eventually fell off this year. It's actually very old. I've been trying to get a new pair of glasses for years, but I just wore these since my parents lost their job, and I had to support them with my meager income when I had a job. But I got laid off a year ago. It's probably a year since I got laid off from Evolver Inc. for a federal contractor's transition. And for all intents and purposes, I've been unemployable. And my parents have been unemployed for 4 years now. Can't find any full-time work. That's why I'm doing a last push for a GoFundMe to help my family and I can have a fresh start in life. And not to worry if my parents become homeless. Thanks and God bless.